So if you are looking to buy hosting or hosting and looking for an amazing deal, then you're at the right place, because in this video I'm going to reveal three of the finest coupon codes and a special discount link for anyone who want to buy their hosting from Hostinger. So what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link to buy your hosting from Hostinger, you will be landed to a page like this. And now for anyone who want to buy hosting or hosting, this discount link plus coupon code, and if you follow my step-by-step tutorial, you can get as much as up to 91% discount, which is just amazing for a hosting company like Hostinger. So there are few things why Hostinger hosting should be your best choice, or why I opted for Hostinger hosting. So first of all, 30 days money back guarantee is a very good addition to buy your hosting. You are being covered with no question asked 30 days money back guarantee when you buy your hosting from Hostinger through the special discounting. And look around on the reviews on Trustpilot and see yourself what the people are saying before they buy their hosting from Hostinger, and see around the reviews. I'm pretty new to all this VPS hosting stuff. No idea. All this, really appreciate the kind of support. Happy with the experience so far. Hostinger is a very good hosting site to use. Hostinger goes beyond just hosting. I recently moved my client website from another hosting provider to Hostinger, and they helped me 5-star reviews. They were really impressed with the level of support. This is why I'm saying you to buy your hosting from Hostinger. And here I'm here with special up to 91% discount for my audience. So another thing is, Hostinger is also being featured on almost all of the famous websites around the globe. And scroll below, you can see Hostinger Horizons, which is just amazing tool. You can create your website or app with it. You just have to give the command, write the command, it's automatically going to create the website for you. And Hostinger also supports WordPress. Now WordPress is an amazing feature to create websites. My own blog is on WordPress, and if you want to host or create WordPress websites, Hostinger is going to manage it. And if you're using another hosting company and want to move to Hostinger has a dedicated migrate to Hostinger section, through which when you buy your hosting from Hostinger, they are going to manage all of that. So what you have to do to simply click on the link in the description and move over here and opt for the migrate to Hostinger to buy your hosting from Hostinger. Scroll below and scroll. These are some made with Hostinger websites. And now over here, these are your favorite plans to buy from Hostinger. All of the plans, when you buy through the link in the description, you are covered with 91% discount. But before you select any plan, there are a few features which I want to tell you. All of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee, cancel anytime, 24/7 support. These are the three plans. As much as up to 91% discount can be gathered on the unlimited plan, but the other plans are good as well. Slight differences, if you ask me, I use the premium plan for the first year, but from the second year onwards, I'm using the unlimited plan. This is a very good plan, and I recommend you to opt for this plan. And this is the best possible discount plan to buy from Hostinger. So simply select the choose plan with any plan. But again, I recommend you to do a thorough research before you select any plan to buy your hosting from Hostinger. So once you select the choose plan, you will be redirected to another page. Here you can see your order summary over here. Now selecting billing periods. Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods, guys: 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. If you ask me which plan is good to buy, my recommendation is to offer the 48 months, so you can save the maximum amount of money, because these prices won't appear again. These are special exclusive prices for my audience which have clicked on the link in the description. Now Hostinger also offers you a free 1-year domain as well when you buy through the discount link. Now you can claim your free domain right now over here by writing, or later on through the Hostinger control panel, also known as H panel. So I'm just giving you an example. The free domain is valid only for the first year when you buy through the link in the description. I'm going to make it 1 year, so I do not have to pay anything additional. After this, I'm going to see my order summary over here. Is everything as per fine? My plan is over here. Now you can see the 48 months discount, 79% over here. In addition to this, you are getting daily backups. Do a math yourself. $100 free, 3 extra months free, free domain free. And now select to have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code before you buy your hosting from Hostinger. Now if you use this coupon code for Hostinger hosting, you are going to get additional discount on already running discount deal. Now there is another coupon code as well to buy. That is with the name of HI1. So you can use either of the coupon code to buy your hosting from Hostinger. All of the coupon codes I mentioned in the description of this video, along with a special discount link. So you can use any of the coupon code. You can see you get a further 10% discount. So 79% discount over here. Daily backups, 3 extra months, free domain, and then 10% over here. Do your math, it's more than 91%. But let's assume it's 91% discount, which is just amazing. So from 1089 to 172. 30 days money back it is included. Now select the continue over here. You may be asked to log in at Hostinger or synchronize with your Google account. I am synchronized, which is why I'm over here at the last part to buy my hosting from Hostinger. So I'm going to write my billing details over here and move on to the continue to the last part, and that is doing payment method. Hostinger offer you variety of payment methods to buy your hosting from Hostinger. You can pay by credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate for crypto payments. And this is what I like regarding Hostinger, that they offer you variety of payment methods to buy your hosting from Hostinger, making the process easy and convenient for anyone who want to buy. So let's say I'm going to use the credit card. I'm going to select that anew, write my credit card details, and simply select the submit payment. As soon as I'm done with the submit payment, within a few minutes I'm going to get an email from Hostinger with all of my account details. So just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to buy your hosting from Hostinger. I've been using Hostinger from the last 5 years and my experience so far is very good, which is why I recommend you to enjoy your hosting from Hostinger with special discount link and exclusive discounts where you can save as much as up to 91% discount. So enjoy your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.